This bride of ours really wanted more armpit coverage. When she purchased the dress, she knew that she had a long torso and gave herself a little bit more room by ordering an extra inch in the top of the bodice from the manufacturer, hoping that would help. She has these off the shoulder sleeves and she was hoping that would help give her some coverage. But as you can see, we're still getting some exposure of her armpit. So I said, let me go grab something. This is gonna be kind of crazy, but let's just try it out. And that's what you're gonna see in this first fitting. And then I'm kind of thinking we would do something like this, where it has this kind of like, it's folded into you here and connects to either this point or like a little bit pulled back from it. But I just kind of like this shape that it creates.
Yeah. I think I really like that. I like how it adds something to the back kind of too.
Yeah.
You know. And maybe if it's at maybe just a titch higher, I don't know how that would, like, if that's,
I don't know.
kind of dependent on.
It might depend on how we sew this in.
Because like right around there. Right where you just had it, like right there, that's perfect.
Instead of a ribbon right here, we sewed a horsehair there as well.
Okay.
So that way we can have it sit up on you a little higher.
Yeah.
Because that would help keep this higher. And then the horsehair just snaps in, like we had talked about.
Yeah. That's great.
I think it's
Yeah, I think it looks great. That's kind of exactly what I was picturing. I definitely like, I mean, this one is a little tight. I like the looseness on this side. I think
I
that's
like this
perfect,
too.
like little drape, but it covers everything.
Yeah. Okay, cool. I think I'm on the same page. And it would essentially, you know,
Go like that.
look like that. And then we have room to play, so if we want to go tighter or looser, because I think even more like that feels more similar, because I think that we can achieve this fold over by having like a couple snaps here and then just giving it a good press so that it somewhat keeps the shape.
Yeah.
Because like right now my pin is hardly doing anything except holding the back side in.
And it's just kind of naturally
And it's like
folding
doing it
over.
on its own.
Yeah.
The only thing is that it kind of comes up off the dress a little bit. So I would want you to maybe like look at it in the profile view and make sure that that's okay for you.
Oh, okay.
It's like kind of a,
I see.
a detail, but maybe an important one.
Right. Like, because it does pop a little bit, but like, you can tell it's a separate piece. Like, we're not trying to make it look like it's
Right. Yeah. It's
connected
intended
to the dress.
yeah.
It's intended to be apart. I think I do prefer this side slightly. Like, it is still like slightly looser.
Okay, cool.
And I think just for the sake of like having a little bit more arm movement,
Yeah. Totally.
it's better.
I think what I like is I like the looseness on this side and I like how this side is laying.
I would agree with
flatter to the
that.
bodice. And so if we can achieve the looseness of this side
With
but
the flatness of the side.
that would be like ideal in my mind.
I think that, yeah.
I only marked what we wanted on this one side, so I'm going to take this and mirror it to the other side, or center back. I'm going to mark where this piece ends, because that's where my support piece for my horsehair will end. I'm also going to mark at what angle this comes into the bodice at, because we really liked how this folded in, and we want to make sure to try to resemble that in the best way we can. Trying to figure out how many layers will make it look like the rest of the dress. Ivory's definitely better, so we're gonna go with ivory, and we're gonna do 4 layers of tulle and then the lace layer on top.